If you have an Android and you're trying to upload any type of work to an assignment, you want to start by going into Clever and looking for Canvas. It's going to log you into Canvas, and since I'm a teacher, it's going to show a lot more classes. But what you want to do is you want to pick the course where your assignment will be. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And then I'm going to go down, I'm going to change it to student view, so give me just a second. Okay, this is what it should look like to all the students. So in my classroom, we go to art lessons, and I pick the assignment that I need. And as I'm looking at the assignment, I go to the top and I press submit assignment, and it pops up with this box down here where it says choose file. Press choose file, and you can press the camera button and take a picture of your artwork. I'm just going to take a picture of this snail. And then you press OK. It puts it in that choose file section, and then you can leave a little note. I'm just going to type in snail. You don't have to leave a note, but you can. And then you press submit assignment. Once you're done, and you'll see that the time clock is running and it says submitting. And when you know you've done it right is when you get the confetti. Congratulations! Yay! You just submitted your project.